Welcome to Runway Academy. Today we're going to explore Motion Brush inside of Gen-2 Director Mode, which will allow you to control motion within specific areas of your video. Start by opening Gen-2 and adding an image prompt. If you want to use Motion Brush with text to video, make sure you generate previews, then use one of the preview images as the image input. And once you have your image, click on the Motion Brush tool. Now, paint over the area you want to control and assign a motion direction and speed to your selection. With Motion Brush, you can control the speed for horizontal, vertical, and proximity independently. Once you're done, click Save. Motion Brush works independently from camera motion, so clicking Generate with no camera motion applied will only make the selected area of your image move. If you'd like, you can also apply camera motion to your generation as well by clicking on the Camera Motion button, adding a direction, then generating. Try using the Motion Brush to experiment on different parts of your image to get beautiful and interesting results. Thank you so much for watching this quick tutorial. If you need help, use this button on your dashboard at any time.